The day has come to finally pick up my car. Ugh. Coco, arigatou gozaimasu. I think this is where I pick up my car. But to be completely honest, I'm not 100% sure. I'm just gonna skate around till somebody says otherwise. Cars, where are the cars?
Where are the cars?
2,000 years later.
Oh my god. Oh, it's my baby. Wow. They even put my logo on my car. Candy Customz. Candy Customz. Thank you so much for this sweet paint job. I used to rattle can my car all the time, but now it looks a million times better. I love it. Syohei, arigato. I didn't even know they're gonna put my logo on here. And it's like, oh dude, it shifts color as you walk past it. That's awesome. Also to the B&M Drift Racing Team, thank you for shipping my car. Now, how do I get it off of this thing? Man, it looks great. Thank you so much, Bill. I really appreciate it. That was Bill. Man, I have the best friends helping me out. Apparently I need to go to a certain building before I can get my car. This kind man is helping me get a slope issued out here. They're gonna help me bring the car out off of the crane. So, tanoshimi, arigatou gozaimasu. I'm so excited. Dude, I can't wait to drive my car. So what they're doing is they're moving my car up and they're gonna put it in this position so that it has this ramp over here, and that's how. Okay. So I haven't started my car in forever, so we're gonna start it up now. Nice! Yay! Arigatou gozaimasu! My car's over there, and before I take the long trip home, I want to make sure that everything's okay. So this is my first time here at a Super Autobacks. This is like a Japanese version of your AutoZone. I'm literally just gonna check everything before I take the long voyage home. So one day when I'm not rushing, I need to bring you guys here. I'm gonna do a whole review of this awesome place.